Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Well, today I'm back with another video, another brand video. I'm really super excited about this very one, and thank you so much for the love you really showed us on the previous video. Well, this is a very simple hairstyle. I recommend every natural person to really try out. It's very simple that you can just do within like 10 minutes and you just go and do your things. Well, if you haven't already, kindly just subscribe to our channel. Just click that red button down below and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. It is just there so that you don't miss out on any uploads we are going to be doing next year. We have amazing stuff that we're going to upload next year, so just keep that notification bell because just give this video a thumbs up and also leave me with a comment if I did a great job, if you really like my hairstyle. So what basically I do, I just section the front bit of my hair like that. Then I work on the other side of my hair. It's already stretched hair, as you can see. I just comb it straight because I'm going to make a high puff. I make sure all my ends are very neat so that it can appear very neat since I'm not using any gel. So I comb it upwards just like the way you see. And I'm going to tie it with a bun. The bun should be very tight, remember, so that it can appear very neat. So I tie it around several times, I roll it and tie it just like that, very neat. Then that other section of the high puff, I just twist it up. I divide it into two, then I twist it up. I just do a small twist. It shouldn't be very tight, shouldn't be very loose as well. Then I'm going to roll it all over. When I roll it just like that, I have to pin it down. I get my bobby pin and pin it down just the way you see it, and make sure it's very secure so that doesn't roll out. I pin all over the puff so that doesn't roll out as well, as you can see. Then the front section, I just divide it into two. The section should be at least equal enough so that you can be able to style it with ease. So the other part of the section that I divided, I just roll at the end. I just roll it just like that, just at the end of the hair. Then I just pass it over the other side and roll it back to the high puff and pin it down. It should be very secure as well, using a bobby pin. Just like that, I just have to tuck in first, then I pin it down so that doesn't roll out as well. Then I work with the other part of the front section. I still roll the front bit of my hair, pass it in front of my forehead a little bit, then tuck it behind the high puff and pin it down using a bobby pin. So I pin it down like that and it's very secure. As you can see, the style is already out, so you just have to play around with the front section to make sure everything is right and the design is really popping out very well. So I got my bobby pin to just pin down that section, make sure that it's very neat and it's very nice, and that's how the style is. If you think I did a great job, just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and if you have other suggestions that you want me to do, then I can really be able to upload more natural hairstyles for you. Thank you.